But hope is on the horizon. According to experts, the national coronavirus spike is now on the decline. Officials blaming the large case count on the highly contagious Delta variant and growing transmission in unvaccinated people.
Now, despite the vaccine, severe disease, hospitalization, and death still remain high as unvaccinated Americans primarily fill hospital beds. Our 18 News reporter Tara Lynch joining us now live in the studio with more. Tara?
Zach and Jordan, good evening. The coronavirus pandemic rages on tonight, but some question the vaccine's effectiveness and if anything is actually working to stop the spread of COVID. Experts say vaccines are still working, but then why is the death rate still going up?
What we're seeing is an unacceptably high death rate, but almost exclusively in unvaccinated people.
Last year, approximately 352,000 people died from COVID-19 in the U.S. This year, 353,000 have died, according to Johns Hopkins University, surpassing last year's total. Locally, there's an uptick in deaths, too, particularly in Steuben County.
In September of 2020, we recorded 7 deaths, whereas this year in 2021, in September, we have recorded 18 deaths.
Hospitalization rates are higher, too.
In September of 20, we had 17 in the hospital, but this year we recorded 31 in the hospital.
Many question if the vaccines are working. Dr. Moore says the chances of getting COVID are 20-fold higher if a person is unvaccinated.
So yes, we are seeing mild or asymptomatic infections in vaccinated people. But again, it is so much worse in unvaccinated people. It's the difference that makes all the difference.
According to Health Director Darlene Smith, a comparison between the COVID and flu vaccines should be made. The mRNA COVID vaccines are 95% effective. On average, the flu vaccine is about 50% effective, but it prevents millions from contracting the flu. Now, all eyes turn toward the holiday season, and the threat of the virus remains for some Americans.
We may see a pickup again in the Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year holiday period because of travel.